Passions are running high in our biochemistry lab because a breakthrough invention is on the verge of discovery. But there is a problem. Two outstanding scientists, gurus of chemistry, share one lab. Dr. Botany and Professor Electra. This small lab is way too cramped for such great minds. Plus, a place in the worldwide scientific conference is on the line. The one whose invention wins will get an award and fame. That's why the scientists try to disturb each other however they can. Professor Electra has brought new samples of her material into the lab. Dr. Botany immediately wants to sniff out what kind of substance is in the beakers. But Electra is a tough proton to crack. She will never reveal her secrets to her competitor. There is a sweet treat in the beakers instead of a chemical reagent. Dissolve gelatin in hot water. Take some of it and add different food colorings. Pour the jelly into a beaker with a funnel. Dr. Botany is trying to start the chemical reaction of the substances, but this beaker has only one reaction. It freezes and doesn't move because there is jelly inside. I got you, Botany! Next time, you will know that taking someone else's samples is bad manners. Dr. Botany is working on a space-time transmitter. The atmosphere in the lab is very tense. Even the fuses can't stand the combined power of her mind and the soldering iron. What should she do now? Electra is not happy about this at all. She had to stop her Brad Pitt cloning experiment in her corner. The lights in the entire building went out. At least one scientist has bright ideas. Electra shows a trick with an energy-saving bulb. Place it near a plasma globe and it lights up. The lamp is placed in the electromagnetic field produced by the globe and starts shining. But once you move it away from the globe, it fades. This way, you can make even a broken fluorescent or neon lamp work. These are the wonders of physics. Botany can turn on a lamp even without electricity, but she needs a plasma globe with discharges inside, thanks to Nikola Tesla, who invented this globe more than 120 years ago. And now Botany feels like the goddess of electricity. Dr. Botany comes up with a formula for a perfect drink. Mix some paradise apple juice with some flower pollen extract and add 3 drops of the elixir of happiness. Electra watches her colleague with envy. It can't be true that Botany produced a cocktail which will bring her victory. Electra will distract her from the drink with her formula of sweet acid. Pour some soda into a laboratory flask. Add green food coloring. Attach a warning chemical danger sign. There is one last ingredient left. The professor puts dry ice into the flask to make smoke. The acid cocktail is done. Electra is bravely drinking the toxic substance. Botany is worried about her colleague. Drinking acid just to win is way too much. Did Electra actually produce a formula of safe acid? Now, Botany doesn't consider her own cocktail so unbelievable. She will have to work harder on her recipe. It's time to have a snack. There is nothing that can make Electra skip lunch, not even winning the Nobel Prize. The burger's not going to eat itself, and while Electra is wielding a knife and a fork, the real scientist, Botany, is inventing something more interesting. She is cooking a molecular dish. Heat chewy candies in a microwave. Add food coloring. Add powdered sugar and mix the sweet mass of different colors. Shape colorful balls and connect them with toothpicks to make molecules. Botany is mixing some selected atoms and electrons. Let's add a steam cooker effect and pour the potion onto your competitor's plate when it's ready. The chemical reaction starts. Electra's lunch is decomposed into molecules, edible molecules. They are as good as real candies. At the end of the day, having lunch in a lab means being ready for anything unexpected. Dr. Botany is studying some schemes and graphs, but Professor Electra has already prepared a sticky prank for her. She sneaks a sticky slime into Botany's pocket without her noticing. Doctor is doing inventory